Hey there guys, and welcome to, I think it's day 22 of doing NeetCode. Today we're going to be finishing off the 2 pointers section with the chopping rainwater. This one, I have no idea how to do it. Just off of simple thinking, I'm thinking that my initial logic is I'm going to use a left and a right, and when the right, like put the left at this, and then when the right is bigger or equals to this, I'm gonna take the calculation and then set left to right and keep doing it again. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, and hopefully that'll work. So with this out, we're gonna say so we'll say so for I in heights. Oh, we need to, okay, so result equals 0. There's an L and there's an R, right? For heights in height, no, for I'm just gonna say for x in height, we're gonna say, okay, if if so if height at I, if height at I is less than and because I want to be able to do steps up and steps down. If height at I is less than height at I plus 1, L equals height equals I plus 1, okay? No, I'm just gonna like continue. So L equals I, R equals, I don't know. I need to be able to ignore the stuff at the, if I could ignore the stuff at the front and the back, that'd be a lot easier. So I'm gonna say until it goes down. So for I in range, 0 to len height minus 1. If height at I is less than height at I plus 1, height dot pop I. Okay? And then we'll do same shit over here. We'll go from len height to 0, -1, if height I is less than I minus 1, pop I. So we're gonna take, we're gonna take this, go to VS Code. So probably code from yesterday. Yeah, we'll just create a new test. New file. Okay, so we want, so height equals that. And then we'll go put the code here and we'll just go, we're gonna do that, and then we'll say print height. Where am I? 65. Print height, and then we'll copy paste this right here. If I run this, list index, cool. This is causing me an error. How? What? What do you mean list index? Okay, this is being really dumb right now. I don't need to do this. Actually, okay, we're gonna do it differently. For I in range 0 to len height, just from 0 to len height 1, minus 1. Okay, we're just gonna go print height at I. Okay. I need to have this one. Okay, good. So then I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say start. I'm gonna create start and end variables. Start end equals 0, 0. Start if, okay, so if height at I is less than height I plus 1, less than or equals to, start equals I plus 1. Okay? Print list index out of, okay, 7. Oh, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna say while height. We don't have to do this in here. We can do this like out here, right? And just do while height. I'm just gonna do like x equals 0. And height at x is less than or equals x plus. When I run this code, this might work. If I change it to be 0, 0, 0, do I get 4? Alright, excuse that real quick. I want to remove the first ones, right? So while height x plus 1 exists, okay? Well, and height of x is less than or equals to height of x plus 1. If it's less than or equals, then 2, I'm going to set it to height. I get to 1. But I'll put multiple zeros. You get 0. While height x plus 1. So height of x is less than or equals to x plus 1. So then I'm here, and then it goes here, and then two minimum. Okay. So if I do this, I print what I'm starting at. I'm starting at index 2. If I change it to okay. So my start works. Now I need an end. So while we need to inverse an array, or no, we don't need to do this. We need to go. So we'll do that, and then we can do x equals when height, while height at x is bigger, is less than or equals to height x plus 1, n equals x plus 1, x minus equals 1. Print start, print, nine. Okay, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, hold up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, because I wanted to make it so it stops when it's the bigger one and when it goes down. So what I say with here, it's the same code, right? Well, height at x is less than or equals to height at x plus 1, minus 1 and equals that x minus equals 1. Nine. Print height at start. Print height end. 2 and 1. So this one is not working. Well, exit. Well, if I just do this, right? I'm gonna get index range, right? Yeah. Well, height at x is less than or equals to height at x minus 1. Like, this is low-key the same code, except I just go from... That's all it took me. Okay, so it works. Now, I have start and end of container. So then we'll do like a while start. Well, suppose we'll go I equals, or left equals start, while L not less than L is less than end. I don't need this. I can just do side. So we'll start less than end. I want to go another while loop. I just have to do two things. I have to go from 2 to 3 and from 3 to 3. From 2 to 3, then so from start to 3, then from 3 to end. So if I do is less than end, so while height at start is less than or equal, is less than height at start plus I, let's say I equals 0. Well, height at start is less than I want to use start, and I want to find the next occurrence where it's bigger or equals, and then take the average of that. So I want to set that's equal to R. That's so a height at start is not equal to height at start plus I. So looking for the next thing. So if while height is less than, so it's bigger. brain's not working right now. A height L plus equals 1. I just want to see what I get. I want to get 3. So maybe I go cool. So per height is okay. So it's not predicting anything. No, wow. Oh. I was supposed to put bigger here. Okay, so we're in Task Manager, close VS Code. I might have created an infinite loop. Okay, well, so if I just, so while start is bigger, but once we get something that's equal to it, oh, I'm thinking. All right. So I'm thinking, I'm going here and I'm like, okay, right now it starts here, ends like, this is start, this is end. I need to see, okay, I need to go from this, from starting from this, and I need to go over and over, and the second I get one that's bigger, I set that one to R, and then I do R minus L multiplied by, like, heights at, boom, whatever the minimum is of both heights. And then I set start equal to this, and I do it. And if it gets to end, it'll stop, and then I'll do a start to end thing. Okay. So while start is less than end, okay? Start is less than end. I'm gonna just start plus equals 1. I want to go left by left. Start equals L. I'm gonna say L equals start just off the rip. And then I'm gonna do okay. Well, that equals that. So if start is bigger if height at start is bigger than height at L, I say and I do the whole code. So I'm gonna say end R equals start, R equals start, and then I'll do calculations. Res equals the minimum of height at R, height at L, times R minus L. And then I'm gonna say start equals R, and then I'm no idea what I'm doing. Print res. Cool. 4. Is the answer 4, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is not 4. So I'm going just these two. And I need to do the thing at the end. So it's like after the while loop, I just do from, so res plus equals min height at start, height at end minus start. Getting 4 again. So start equals R, or start equals L. So we might have broken the code. So we're gonna task manager close this again. Yeah, not supposed to go that way. Whew. This should work, right? By saying start at end So well start is not. if that's the case. And then at the end of this, I want to say L equals start again. Would this work? 16. There's got to be an easier solution for this, but I'm so committed to the point that I don't care. Like, this will work. So, while start's not end, okay? Start plus equals 1. If height at start is bigger or equals to height at L, so if we have 1 and 1, we need a gap. Minus 1. Let's go. Did not work. Let's have minus 1. Just for fun. Okay, 8 and 11. Wait, what am I printing twice? Well, okay. Let's think about it, right? We have, you know, the thing here where it goes boom, 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 like, whatever, you know, like, I don't really care how it looks. But basically, if I say start is equal to my L, which is here. So, this is L, this is start. Then I'm going to plus equals it. And then I'm at plus 1. And start's going to be here. And if start is bigger or equals, if height of start is bigger or equals than L, no, it's not. So it's going to keep doing again. This one. Now start's going to be here. And it's going to go here and it's going to say the min of whatever these two, which is going to be this one, times start, which is going to be, this is like indexed 0, 1, or yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 again gets you 1. So this one should be a minus. And then we set L equal to start. So then L is going to be the one at the top here. And then we have like the boom, 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 boom. So L is going to equal the one here. And then we're going to do it again. So start's going to go here, then here, then here, then here. And it's going to be equal. Right? So this is going to trigger. But when it goes here, this should be equal to N. So we want to print out, I just want to print out what start is at each time. Print start. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And print end. So print end. And we end at 7, right? Yeah, so end is 7. So why is it printing it? Oh. this gonna work? No. Even if I do all this, my value is 17. I do with 6. And at 7. So I want to print out print L. We're not going to print start though. We're not going to print res. Three. Oh, maybe it's because I forgot the 1. Wait, is there 11 or 9? If I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's 9. Yeah, I thought there was. I was like, if there's 11, we in the win, but we're not winning. Print L. 3, so 3 to 7. Oh, wait a minute. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am counting these 2 blocks. So the code is working. It's just intriguing. So it's not that it doesn't work. This calculation is wrong. But it makes sense. So now I have to do a little for loop. Okay, so this one from start to L, or from L to start, and this one from L to end. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna say, okay, well I have from L to start, so I'm gonna do for I in range, L to start. Res plus equals, well for I in range, L to start, I have 1 and 1, so res plus equals the difference, whatever, okay, whatever, we're gonna say the minimum, we're gonna say minimum equals the min from height at start and height at L, and then say whatever the minimum is, right? Whatever the difference is between the minimum, or let's talk about the max, so whatever the maximum is, like when I'm looking at it, right? The maximum out of these 2 is gonna be 2. So if I have 2 and I have a block of 1, with the difference between what height at that is and the maximum. So the difference between the height at maximum minus that. So we'll do the height at maximum minus plus equals the height at maximum minus the height at I. Okay. And then we'll say here This is from L to end. So we'll go from end. If we just delete these. Oh. Please work. 5. No. Print res. It should be 2 after this. 0 2. Zero 5. Okay, let's refine this because I think once we get this to work, we're done. So if height is stuck, the condition to go into this is good. So maximum equals the minimum of height at start and height at L, right? So height at start and height at L in this case is going to be 3 and 2. The minimum of that is 2. So for I in range of L to start, we're gonna print I. If I can see what I'm looking for. 1. Okay, so it does only do it once, which is good. Res plus equals the maximum print height at I. 2. Height at I is 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. Undo was plus that? Okay. All I have to do is do this. And then I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go boom, boom. And then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here, we're gonna return. Okay. Please get accepted. No. Line 19. Cool. It's not even line 19. Height equals height. We're getting cooked up here again. Oh, did not mean to do that. No way. Hold up. If I run it, it works. Not what I meant to do. And if I change the test case to a bunch of zeros. It works. But this submission doesn't seem to work. When I submit it, I get an error right here. List index out of range. So while height how do I do no in Python? Doesn't exist. Cool. It's not none. None. My bad. Ooh. Maybe it's like we're never maybe like in a solution where the start if where the start is already the biggest one, right? Then it wouldn't even go in this. Avoid the list index out of range. Okay, well, we can try a for loop. Like, we can try a for loop. And instead of doing this shit, we'll go for x in range 0. We'll continuously set. No, yeah, we'll go if height at x is bigger than height x is bigger than height at start, break. If not, start equals x. Cool, so I just break the game actually. I break the whole thing. Start is 0. If height at x, oh. Because this works perfectly. Oh, the while stuff. It just doesn't want to work for here. List index out of range. What if I just do it and x is not equal to len len height minus 1. I got the same sim. Like, it makes no sense. Like, how is list index out of range in this? Height at x plus 1? Try one more thing before we have to, might give up. But I don't even know. Okay, at least it's telling us what the height is. So we're gonna put this in here, and we're gonna okay, we're gonna ooh, okay. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm just gonna there is a problem because I don't print out anything. Oh wow, print. Let's go. Unexpected indent. While x, should I put this in an if statement? If x, okay, hear me out. If I go here and I go, if height at x is less than or equals to height x plus 1, and then same thing if it is, then we hit the while loop. Pretty lit. We'll copy this just because I kind of like this idea. If we run it normally, so we get the same answer. So I'm gonna do submit. Alright, you know what, we give up. Let's look at this. If not height. Let's at least work to understand this code. Copy it. It's the same code here. We'll try to understand. We'll try and fix this code at a later date, but let's go. So LR equals 0, length height minus 1. Yeah. Right max and left max equals height at L and height at that. Well, L is less than R. If left max is less than right max, L plus equals 1. Left max equals max of the height of that. And left res plus equals left max minus height at L. Okay. Else, you do it with right. Left max and right max is equal to what they're equal. So 0 and the thing here. This and this. And then so while left is bigger than less than R, if left max is less than right max, what does if not height return 0 mean? Like, hypothetically, if I just shove this in the top of my code, like, do I just, do I just win? Nah, it would have been sick, though, if that was the answer. If left max is less than right max, let L plus equal 1. So if thing here is less than the thing here, L plus equals 1. The left max equals the max, whatever the max is. left max minus height to L. So if height to L, what's that? You just add nothing. Oh, I see, because over here, right, it'll be like left max is none, so it'll add nothing. Left max is none, so it'll add nothing, because you know they're equal to each other. And then over here, it'll say, okay, height to L is a lot less than height left max, so it'll do the difference here, and then it'll do it again, and it'll do it again, and it'll do it again, and it'll do it, boom, boom, boom. So that actually, that's genius. Wow. Wow. I understand what he did too. That's so... I would not have thought of that, to like... to do it where like he sets L and left max to this, and then he sets, okay, here, and he says, okay, L is this now, L, like, L is this, no, left max is this, and L is this, and then it's gonna take the higher left max is gonna become the bigger one, right? So now they're both gonna be this, and then you minus this, which is nothing. Then we're gonna go, and we're gonna say, okay, L is this, and we're gonna take the bigger one of the two, which is this one, and then we're gonna minus them, so this minus this, and you get this. Then this one, they're both gonna be on this one, boom, boom, and then we do it right as well, to see, oh, okay. We'll do it right. Can you not just only use in the solution, if left max is less than right max? Oh, I guess, because you don't want to use the right one. You don't want to have the bigger one, just in case. Okay, and this works. So, this is a pretty interesting solution. I think I feel like we got close. Like, we did kind of similar to this. It's just that, like, I tried doing something different. But I think what we do is we come back at a later date and we actually just try and make this code work, even though it's not efficient. Just because, like, for the pride. But that was, I guess we finished off 2 pointers, and we'll probably start the next ones later.